I do love you, son. I love you so much. I just want you to know that.
Yeah. And,
Yeah, I know. You hate me, I know.
No, shut up, Mum. What I'm trying to say, what I want to say is,
What? What do you want to say, son?
that
Blimey heck, Sam. Get that thing mended.
Faith? Faith? I found this.
Oh, honey.
OK, so I'll pop round tomorrow.
Well, make sure you're not too early. I'm going to be exhausted after this.
Are you all set?
Yes. But remember, you're giving me a lift, Rodney. You're not on a promise.
She hasn't changed. Faith, wonderful day. Truly wonderful. Yeah.
Do you know, this is what it's all about, you know, Zach. You can keep your boozing and your carrying on. But this is the thing. Having the people you love gathered around you.
You're not wrong there.
Nothing can top today. Nothing. It's been perfect.
Yeah, that's superb.
Absolutely perfect. Do you know, if I was to die tomorrow, I should die happy. Because I'm at peace, Zach. I'm finally at peace.